Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful and super gorgeous Resin Tealight holder. Yes, it's completely made out of resin. Can you see the beautiful cells which are created with the resin technique? And I will also show you how to create these beautiful shrink prink roses to decorate our platter. And I have created in one more shade, that is in the blue, and it's also looking super beautiful. So let's get started. First I'm pouring my resin. So here I have already mixed hardener and resin. I have taken 5 tablespoons of hardener and 10 tablespoons of clear resin to create this mixture, and I'm using the resin by Little Birdie. So here I am just dividing my resin in 3 equal parts. Then I'm taking my white pigment and just mixing with my first cup. It's very necessary to wear mask and gloves while working with resin. And now I'm taking orange and blue color pigment and mixing with another cup to create the brown shade. Since I don't have dark brown color and I want to create my background in white and brown combination, so I'm just mixing 2 shades. So in this way you can create your own shades by mixing some basic colors of pigments. Now I'm just mixing the pigments with the resin properly using wooden stick. Now just create a beak in your cup and start pouring from the edge. So first I'm pouring my brown color in the edge, creating a ring, then pouring the white color ring inside this. Then I'm pouring little clear resin in the center. Then again pouring brown color ring. And then at the end adding some more clear resin, and I will add little bit white resin again. So this is done. Now allow it to set for some time. Then I am just adding some gold flakes in the center of the resin. Just mix it with resin using spoon and allow it to set for 24 hours. Now I have kept it for 24 hours and it's quite hard but not completely cured. So I am just adding my top coat using clear resin again. So I have already prepared my mixture of resin here. For this I have taken 3 tablespoons of hardener and 6 tablespoons of clear resin. Now I'm just pouring it all over the design again. It will give very nice shine to your work. And then I'm just adding some pearls in the edge of our design. So while our resin is wet and it's not started curing, you can pour anything, it will get stuck permanently with your project. So here I am adding some pearls, also taking these cute unicorn pearls by Dress My Craft. You can also add little glitter and just kept it for 48 hours to dry completely. Now it's completely dry and hard and it's looking super gorgeous, and see how beautifully all the pattern has been created automatically. Now I'm just removing my mold and taking out the platter or coaster. So if you want to create coaster, you can keep it as it is, but since I am making the tea light, so I will decorate it with some shrink flowers. So this is done. Now for the finishing, I am just adding golden color on the edge of my platter. So here I am taking golden marker to color this. This pen is specially made for resin work. And if you don't find this pen, you can also use acrylic colors to color the edge. So just completely color it till the end. And after adding the color on the edge, it will look like this, and it's looking gorgeous. I have added little gold color on top edge as well. So our base is ready. Now it's time to make the shrink prink flowers. So I have already cut two big, one medium and one small flower using clear shrink prink sheet. I have given link in description box for template if you want to create this. So we are going to make this rose using these sheets, and see, after shrinking it shrinks in that small size. So first I am taking my biggest flower petal and I am cutting all the petals toward the center little bit so that we can shape it easily. And then I am cutting the petals from top in little wavy pattern. In the same way, cut remaining flowers. Now for the smallest flower, we need only 3 petals. So I am just removing one petal from left and right sides like this. And in this way, we will create our bud as well. And now I am just shaping my petals again and curving it from top in wavy pattern. Like this. Now to color the shrink prink sheets, I am using this soft pastel by Mungyo. You can also use any other brand like Camel soft pastel also. So first I am showing you one flower how to color it, and I am taking my white soft pastel, just apply little color and spread it using finger. Now for the second coat, I am taking this light red color, just creating some strokes, and then I will spread this color again using my fingers. All the coloring part I am doing on frosted side. So this is done. Now I am taking my white pencil color and just creating some veins like this. You can use any white color pencil. And this is done. In the same way, color rest of the flower petals. Now I will show you how to color leaves. So here I am taking these leaf cutout which I cut using golden shrink prink sheet, and I am taking the light green color here and coloring only in the bottom part of the leaf using my fingers. Leaf template is also given in the description box. You can also use clear shrink prink, just color it with yellow first and then color with the green in the bottom. Now for the filler flower or bud, I am just pinching the hole in the center so that we can pass wire pollen through this, and now I will start shaping my flowers. So first I'm taking my embossing pad in the bottom, taking the largest flower, then using my heat resistance tool and heat tool I will start heating and shrinking it, and see how beautifully it shrinks and it dances. Yo, it's shrinking. I just love this process too much. Remember, we have to keep frosted side up. Then I'm just shaping it using ball tools. So first layer is done. Now take the second flower. By mistake I have cut the fifth petal here, but don't worry, we will add it later using silicone glue. So first I am shrinking these 4 petals exactly in the same way and shaping it using ball tool. It's little hot, so be careful. Now I'm taking my 5th petal which I cut and shrinking it as well. And see, we have created the white pencil lines and these are looking gorgeous, just like a natural petal. Shape this as well and then put it like this. Then taking the next layer and then 3 petal flower layer. So this is done. Now I will start with the bud or filler flower. So just hold in the center and shape it like this. And this is also done. Then I will start arranging my rows. So just taking silicone glue and start adding all the layers one by one. Like this, and in the center I am adding one pearl. So just add little glue in the bottom and connect the pearl, and the rose is ready. Super cute. Then I will color the edge of each petal using same golden pen which we have used for our coaster. So after drying the flower you have to do this process. So just complete it for all the petals. Similarly, I am coloring the edge of the petal for bud. Then I am taking one wire pollen, insert through your flower Add little glue and just secure it. And your filler flower or bud is ready. Then I'm starting with shrinking the leaves. So just hold it in the bottom and shrink it. Very easy. Since these are gold, so they looks awesome for festive platter. And this is done. So in the same way we need 5 to 6 leaves. Now taking back my coaster and I will start arranging my flowers, leaves and buds. Also I'm adding some yellow color pollens here and there. And this is done. Allow it to dry for a few hours. So after drying, our beautiful tea light holder or festive platter or coaster is ready. It's looking very gorgeous. So you can just put the tea light on top of this, and you can also use candle tea light because this is heat resistance. So do not worry about that. And I have created one more platter. Tan-ta-da! A surprise! I have created one more tea light holder in blue color combination. I have used blue and white and created 2 rings to create the effect and added blue color roses. All the process is same, just the color is different. So in this way you can create the variety of tea light holders in different colors and flower arrangements for the upcoming festival. So that's it for today, and please tell me which color you like the most. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.